Hey, welcome back to KG's Garage. Today what I'm doing is working on this 2008 Pontiac G8 GT. It has a stealth blue spoiler. Check that out. So what I'm going to do is the window regulator is broken. This window will not stay up. So I purchased a new window regulator and motor. It's right here. It is a GM part. You can see it there, 922-63044. Should be for this passenger side back. So the first thing I gotta do is take the door panel off so I can get to the window regulator. I need to go get some tools. A little pry there. There should be some screws here. Another one here. Screw here and here. On the bottom right there. And here. Pop this little thing out here. Oh, that's a some kind of Torx bit. So I'll have to go get a Torx bit. But these other ones are just regular screws. You got two under the door handle. Alright, I got some Torx bits here. Let's see which size it is. Looks like it's supposed to be a T20. Yeah. Okay. So there's pop pins, or push pins, whatever. Okay, I think that's it. Yep. Oh, there's one more. Oh, right there we go. Alright, so you got some stuff still hooked up. I'm trying to get the window switch off. Okay, what I did was I slid these off of the lever there. Oh, I see. Alright, so the part you press in is right here. Right here. You press this in and you just pull the connector out, right? But on here, that part is on the bottom. Under here. So you got to reach your finger in and pull it up here. And out. So, and then you can see there's all the parts where it's snapped in, right? All these green things. 1, 2, 3. Here's the 2 screw holes. These are locating ones. Oh, looks like I'm missing one. And there's some white ones. Let's see if there's a white. Yeah, so there's actually 2 white ones here I gotta pull out and put back into here. Right there and right there. So I can pop them in. And that's what this pop tool is good for. Yep. I was able to, even though it's broken, put it back on there. They just slide on. So then when I go to put this door panel back on, I just pop it back in. Peel all this back. They soldered the speaker wires on. Oh yeah, look at this. That's not good. Here's another piece of it. So that's the problem. All right, I need something to hold the window up. So I need to be able to get these screws. I'm guessing the screws, once it's all the way up. Yeah, this hole's right here where you can get to the screws. All right, what I got is some blue tape. I'm gonna put it around the window, lift the window up, put it around the window, and that should hold it. Let's see. Yep, right there. Hopefully it doesn't take the tint off. That should be enough to hold it. Yeah, it's not moving. 2 bolts that are in here. So let's see what we got here. Here's a new regulator. Okay, so it looks like it sits like this. Here's the two screws you take off that are on the window, which are right here and here. So this thing travels up this rail. So there's a bolt here, and then there's 2 up here. And then that whole thing comes out, and I have to disconnect the motor, which is right here. Disconnect right here, it looks like. You gotta squeeze. There's two pieces you gotta squeeze down. Apparently. That's what it looks like. Oh, got it. You have to push down on this to get it. So I grabbed the screwdriver from the other side and pushed down on it and pulled it out. All right, so 10s. Now the window's secure with the tape. I'm gonna take these 2 out. Now the window can't go down now anyway because this is all the way up. Once I take these out, it's gonna move. Okay, so now that I have all the bolts out, what I can do is just pull this rail down off the window. Now the window is only held up by the tape. So I took all the bolts out, the rail slid down. I should be able to just take it right out now. I should be able to. What's it held up by? Oh, there's one more bolt right here. See right here? There's a bolt right here I've missed. There it goes. Now you gotta figure out how to get it out. So we can see what happens here. This is cable was what is hooked to this. All right, and when you go hit the, here's your motor, and when you go up and down, it spins this, pulls the cable, which is all jammed up in here. Look at that. Spring is popped off, and this would pull this up and down. There's supposed to be a cable that wraps around here. So you can see what it's supposed to do. Wraps around here when the motor spins up and down, right? So I guess maybe if you pull all this back apart, I think the spring, yeah, see the cable's not broken. I think it's supposed to go in here. Oh no, there's broken pieces inside here. There's broken pieces inside here. So what happened was, pieces broke here, this thing popped out and got all wrapped up. Because this thing's still good up here. Chips taken out of it, probably when it was breaking. And something's broken there. Anyway, just replace the whole thing. It goes like this. Put it up in here. You have to make sure you're on this side of the glass. That's what the problem is. There. Now you just do it reverse, put all these bolts in. Now the window, this has to go up. So I can't get to the other bolt here. Now I can put the window up. Let me connect the plug. And what? Go up, right? Where I want to go. Motor's in. I bet you I need to have the switch connected. I pull the switch out. There we go. So I need to go up. Well, let's go like this. Right about there. Take these bolts off or loosen them. Now it should just go up, 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 I say up to the glass. Okay, up into the glass, tighten these. I'm not going to tighten them too much, it's crushing on the glass. Okay. Just make sure tight, 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 tight. All right. And the window goes, oh, I gotta take the tape off. All right, tape's off. Window goes down, window goes up. All right, all fixed. Okay, so that's it for doing the regulator. Hear crunching noises when you put your window up and down. Might be this broken regulator. Like I said, there's a broken piece right inside here. I think what happened was that was supposed to go in there, and whatever was holding that in broke, and that caused everything else to fail. So this is probably the original one in there. It's 2008, so a few years old. So it's fixed. I'm gonna leave the door panel off for now. It looks like I need some speakers. Fortunately they soldered that on. The front driver side speaker is barely working. This one's not working. So I'm gonna take this and hook it up to a good source to see if it's the speaker or if it's the wiring. Because this passenger side front, it crackles all the time and makes a whole bunch of noise. So I don't know what's up. I don't know if there's a wiring issue on this side or if it's actually the speaker. So I need to test the speaker. So if I'm going to put new speakers, I'm just going to do all new speakers, all four, right? So I got to figure out what I'm going to do. But I'm going to leave the door panel off for now. The window goes up and down. That's the important part. That's going to wrap this video up. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next video.